right? I was in the hospital for 40 days between December and January, and I didn't understand certain things. And I was like, I'm getting an income while I'm here. Like, how great is that? So, and I'll tell you about why that happened. But right now, I've got two wonderful, super powerful women on here that are going to share with you their journey real quick. I'm going to start with Miss Marissa Gonzalez.
Hello. Thank you for having me, Ms. Brinkley. Oh my God, hello, family. My name is Marissa Gonzalez. My background is actually in healthcare, and then COVID happened, and because of a medical condition, I knew that I just couldn't work in the public facing anymore. And so I actually ended up working at a law firm, loved the people that I worked with, loved the mission of what we did to help others, but I didn't love having to work 60 plus hours a week. I didn't love not being able to travel when I wanted to travel. And last year, we actually had a family situation where my aunt was diagnosed with leukemia, and we had to make the decision for us to go up north, help to take care of her. And after coming back home, I really just started to reflect on my life. And mind you, I am a traditional business owner, so I did have the freedom to be able to move around how I wanted to. But what I recognized is there needed to be a deeper mission within myself. And I just said, I need to find something to help me supplement from a residual income perspective. And I wasn't looking for this opportunity. This opportunity found me. And I've been in the company not even 9 months.